FABTECH, Mexico 2026 took place in Mexico City last month, and it brought together some of the most innovative manufacturers, OEMs, and industrial technology providers in the region. And here's what our team noticed at the show. Modern manufacturing is evolving very fast. From automation and dust collection to advanced machining and software systems, industrial equipment is becoming more sophisticated every year. And as systems evolve, so does the importance of protecting them from fire-related risks. At Firetrace International, we work alongside OEMs, dealers, and integrators to help bridge that gap with specialized fire protection solutions for industrial equipment and enclosed hazards. Because protecting production is as much about employee safety as it is uptime, reliability, and compliance. Events like FABTECH Mexico reflect where the industry is headed, and at Firetrace, we remain committed to developing solutions that help protect that evolution.